connection with the stampede questioning is concerned. India Today has also accessed the summer notice to Allu Arjun. The notice for appearance, it says that the Honorable High Court in criminal petition was pleased to grant interim bail to you. You shall cooperate with the investigation as per the condition it reads. The case is under investigation. Your presence is quite essential before the undersigned officer to elicit answers from you about the incident and if necessary for visiting scene of offence in order to ascertain the true facts, is what the notice says. Therefore, you are requested to appear before the undersigned at 11 o'clock at the Chikatapalli police station in the interest of justice, is what the notice says, is what the notice essentially is reading. India Today accessing the summer notice to Allu Arjun. We'll put that out in a second. But it talks about the fact that in the interest of justice, you are required to be present to elicit answers from you about this incident. On your screen, Allu Arjun, as you can see in these pictures, at the police station right now where he has arrived for questioning. At the Chikatapalli police station where Allu Arjun is there right now. He's going to be questioned again by the cops. The last time around they had arrested him and he had to spend a night in jail in spite of getting interim bail. This matter continues to get even more political with allegations flying thick and fast against the Congress-led and Telangana government that they are trying to settle scores with Allu Arjun and that this is a case of misplaced priorities, is what is being said. The summon notice to Allu Arjun, accessed by us. Allu Arjun right now is inside the police station where he is getting questioned by the Hyderabad police in connection with the stampede that has left one person dead. A child has been grievously injured. A copy of the notice issued to Allu Arjun on your screens at this point in time. The case, it says, is under investigation and your presence is quite essential before the undersigned officer to elicit answers from you about the incident and, if necessary, for visiting the scene of offence in order to ascertain the true facts. Therefore, you are requested to appear before the undersigned on the 24th of December at 11 a.m. at the Chikatapalli police station in the interest of justice. Station House Officer B. Raju Nayak is going to be appearing, or rather is going to be questioning Allu Arjun, is what we know. He is arrived at the police station as per the summon that was issued to him and is being questioned in connection with the stampede to get an order of a sequence. The cops have to get a sequence of the events and how they unfolded. There is also a possibility that Allu Arjun could be taken back to Sandhya Theatre to in fact put together the sequence of events. Cops are grilling Allu Arjun as we speak. The summon notice to Allu Arjun on your screens right now. Further trouble also mounting for the Pushpa 2 actor Allu Arjun. Controversy surrounding Pushpa 2 premiere stampede outside the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad showing no sign of simmering down. The police have issued a fresh notice to Allu Arjun to appear before them for questioning, and he's arrived at the police station. The grilling, Apurva, would have started by now. We have these pictures of Allu Arjun at the police station.
Well, that's right, Sneha. Allu Arjun has just, has reached the Chikatapalli police station. In fact, we've also reached here as well. And what we are learning is that he will be taken in for interrogation. ACP and DCP and senior police officials will go ahead and interrogate Allu Arjun there. And that's what we're also getting to learn from sources as well. Notices had been issued to Allu Arjun yesterday for him to arrive here at the Chikatapalli police station, where he will be going ahead and cooperating. The notices, in fact, ask that Allu Arjun cooperate with the investigation that is currently underway, and he's just reached inside. His legal team has also gone inside along with him. He had been accompanied by his father there, Allu Arvind, wherein he reached the Chikarpalli police station just a couple of minutes ago, and he's been taken in for questioning. Remember, this is the second round of questioning that is being carried out with Allu Arjun. The first time being that he had been summoned just after the Sandhya Theatre incident, the stampede that had taken place, which saw a 32-year-old woman having lost her life. And now we are seeing that Allu Arjun arrives here for the second time at the Chikarpalli police station, where he will go ahead and he will be going and cooperating in the investigation as well.
Right. Allu Arjun being questioned by the cops right now on your screens. Copy of the summon notice as well, the notice summon on your screens as well. Pictures from earlier today on the extreme left side of Allu Arjun, that black shirt, where he is in fact seen along with his wife Sneha Reddy, also with his child, in fact, and the other family members who are talking to him as he leaves for the police station, where he has been called for questioning in connection with the stampede case at the Sandhya Theatre, where Pushpa 2, his film, was getting premiered. On your screen, Allu Arjun, who's left for the police station, and he's also arrived at the police station where he is getting summoned. Apart from Allu Arjun, Apurva, if you could also tell us a little about this entire matter. Who are the other accused in this case? What about the role of the police here? Allu Arjun, in the press conference on Saturday, had said that he was only following the directions of the cops and that he didn't even know that a stampede had taken place. That's what he said in his defense. Apurva.
Well, Allu Arjun, this comes just a day after, this comes just after Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy had given a statement in the assembly there, where he talked about how Allu Arjun had flouted the rules, and that, the police had tried to inform Allu Arjun inside the premises of the Sandhya Theatre when the accident had taken place, but then he wasn't ready to leave. But then Allu Arjun had kept a press conference there, wherein he clarified, saying that there was some kind of false information that was being spread out, and that there was a kind of his image being damaged there, his character assassination that was being done. That's the word that Allu Arjun had used. He said that there was an attempt of his character assassination that was being done, be it on social media or otherwise as well, and that he wanted to clear the air. And following that, we saw how the Telangana police had released a CCTV footage of sorts on social media, terming it as judge for yourself. That's the key word there that the Telangana police had used, to put out the CCTV footage. And what we are seeing is that in that CCTV footage, it clearly shows the sequences of what had happened at Sandhya Theatre, that had been said by Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy. Revant Reddy had talked about how the police had attempted to go and meet Allu Arjun inside the theatres. They had asked him to come out, and that's the sequence there that had been showed by the Telangana police as well, and the CCTV footage that they had put out on social media. It looks like some kind of a silent war that is ongoing between the Telangana police and Allu Arjun. But on the hand, today Allu Arjun coming to the Chikarpalli police station where we are at right now and cooperating with the police, looks to be a positive image for him as well, because he said he's a law-abiding citizen, and that he will follow whatever is needed from his side. He will ensure cooperation, and that's what we're seeing. The Tollywood actor there going ahead and doing. He, along with his father, had arrived here after they had left from their residence at around 10:30 this morning, and they had arrived here at the police station just a few minutes back. His legal team has also reached here. Allu Arjun is most likely to be questioned by the DCP and senior officials here in relation to the interrogation into the Sandhya Theatre case.